So the first thing you want to do when you open Qlab is create a new workspace. So I'm going to open that up, and it's just blank. It's all empty here. So I need to drop in my music next. So I just do a quick search, and I'll just drop in these tracks. I think there is an MP3, but I'm not sure it matters. I'm pretty sure it takes just about every kind of file. So I'm going to go ahead and just drop in all of the different tracks that I know I will need. So here we go. Okay, and then if I want to rearrange them, I can just pull them, drag them wherever I want, so I can put them in order. If you have any sound effects or background music, or something like you need rolling thunder in the background, you can also drop that in anywhere that you like. When you get them in a particular order, you can name the cues, but honestly, I don't do that to the very end until I have every cue in there. So, of course, you'll want to go to File and save your workspace as well. Give it a name. I'm going to call this No Strings Attached. Always save everything a zillion times, right?